to our third YouTube video.
So today we're going to do the caramel test, and it's a caramel taste test, and we're going to taste all these chocolates, 12 chocolates, and we're going to try guessing which flavor it is. So let's get started. So the first one we're going to do is
that one.
This white one, I think it looks like.
It's supposed to have a star on it, but we cut it.
Okay, so that's what this one is. So I have water, so ready, set, go.
I like it. I like it.
Oh, this is actually gum. So
I give it a 302.
no, but wait, we have to guess what it is.
Oh, from France?
Oh.
I wrote down the flavors there for you, so you can.
Oh, I think it's strawberry black pepper.
All right, so give me that one.
I think it's maple. I think it's maple.
Ew. Soapy.
All right, go ahead, do the next one.
Okay, so our next one is, oops.
Okay, go.
Here. So this is one with like, so
I
this
think
is the
this
one
one's
that
caramel.
we're gonna be tasting. Okay, ready, set, go.
What? It's hot. It's not hot. Me it is.
Well, that one's good.
I think it is maple. Is it maple? What? It's a hot chili.
I think
Blueberry?
it's toffee apple. Is it toffee apple?
How did she keep getting them right? Not fair. Next one is this one. I want this one.
Yep.
Ooh.
Ready? Set, go.
Is it blueberry?
Wait. Yeah, I think it's blueberry.
Is it blueberry, Mommy?
What? Oh, right. Blood orange, blasmic. Is that what it is?
Balsamic.
Balsamic, yeah. Okay. So is that it? Oh.
It's also California.
Okay. So our next one.
Wait, not that one.
Oh yeah. Oops. So our next one is this.
Right.
Okay. Oh, that's too.
Oh, I think this is coffee.
Let me taste it and then we'll see. Oh.
It is coffee.
I think this is maple.
Coffee.
No, this isn't any of those. This one is blueberry.
It's blueberry?
Yeah, I think this is blueberry.
Mom, is it blueberry?
Wait, is there a blueberry? I don't think there's a blueberry. Is there?
Yeah, there's.
Oh, it's not here anymore. I think it's blueberry.
There is no blueberry.
What? Hey, Sophie, I thought you said that there was blue.
But I don't know how to read it yet. Fig? Is it fig?
Fig and honey.
Is it fig?
I think
Is it fig and honey?
maple.
Read it from the sides.
I think it's maple.
Okay, now the next one.
Is it maple? Okay. So this is our next one. Okay.
What
here.
else? What else? Hey, I was
There we go.
I got a smaller one.
Okay, so
Wait, I didn't eat it yet.
oh,
Oh, you're a yogurt one.
Maple. Is this maple?
You guys said the other one was maple.
Oh.
Fig. Fig honey.
Yeah. Fig and honey. Is it? Oh my god. What is wrong with them? Oh my god, that was really bad.
I'm almost out of water. I'm getting hydrated.
Oh my god. That one was not good.
Your steps. This is the next one.
Oh.
Oops.
Okay.
I like this. It smells like coffee bloop.
So this is our next one. And I'm scared.
Tastes like a fruit and honey. Ew. I don't like it.
Oh.
Can I spit it in the garbage?
I just flat myself with water.
Your teeth.
That was really bad. Ew.
So which number are we on now, guys?
I think that was
we were right here.
So count, how many is that?
1,
5.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
That was the sixth one? Okay.
Big honey, big honey.
Espresso. I think it's double espresso.
Okay.
It's a double espresso.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Next one is these. I've been dying to try you.
What? Okay.
Come, my baby. Come, my baby.
So.
This is now.
3, 2, 1.
Coffee.
We already did that one.
It tastes like the coffee one.
I think it's this one. The
Butterscotch?
Cahan?
Himalayan salt?
Yeah. Yes?
No.
What? How are we gonna get these?
Now we are on to these. Sorry, I took 2. Put you away because I don't like you. I want the biggest one. I take you. Oh, you want me to go get you one?
No, I'm fine.
Oh, you really are a fine sweetheart.
Sophie. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
1. Ow.
Oh.
I hurt my mouth.
You know what? I think this is the salted or whatever it is.
Yeah, you want to switch it?
Yeah.
So,
Is it? Is it?
No.
Oh my god.
All right, what's next?
next one is, I always get the biggest. I know me.
This is the 9th one. This is so weird. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna go get some more water.
Oh.
Loads of water. Butterscotch?
No. I don't even know what that is. Oh. I think it's coconut. It's coconut?
Nope.
What?
And there's butterscotch.
Butterscotch.
Vanilla?
Nope. Gad, move on to the next one.
Yeah.
Stem greens?
Stem greens or stem ginger?
It's probably stem ginger. I was
Are you guys on the last one?
no. We still have 3 more.
3 more?
No.
She believes she knows everything.
What?
Oh, this one smells like ginger. Get nervous, lady. I'm so nervous. It smells like ginger.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
It smells like ginger! I think it smells ginger from now.
I think it's ginger. Get ready. I'm just gonna get more water because I think it's ginger.
I don't want to eat it. Do I have to?
Okay, ready?
You don't have to.
Ready.
I'm so nervous.
Oh!
It's ginger?
Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Excuse me?
You guys passed the ginger a long time ago.
Oh, I'm good.
That was just... Okay, guys, so that one was disgusting.
All right, what number are you guys on?
Butterscotch. I think it was butterscotch. Is it butterscotch?
I don't even know where you guys are at this point.
We're on 2 more. This one's nice.
Is it butterscotch?
No.
Oh my gosh, these are so bad.
Oh man, which one's big? I think this one's bigger. It's like a hammer. A hammer.
Oh,
Okay.
hopefully we don't pass hot chili. I don't want hot chili. Your nose.
What?
Your nose has chocolate.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, yeah, it does. Grabs.
Okay, so guys, this is our last.
No. The other one's last.
This is our second to last one. So let's get ready in 3, 2, 1.
It's coffee! It's coffee.
Yeah. Is it coffee? What?
What?
That's the chili. That
It's
one's the chili.
Yeah, tastes fine to me.
Yeah. Not chili.
All right. Go ahead. Last one.
That's weird because we have 2 left.
What?
Okay, guys, so this is
Why is
our.
it? That one looks like a dragon.
I don't see how it looks like a dragon, but.
It looks like a horse and half horse, half dragon. Wait.
Guys, it's that the one that we just tasted. It tasted like coffee. It definitely did not taste like
Hot chili.
hot chili. Yeah.
I'm getting a tummy ache.
Then don't eat anymore.
I want to. Don't tell me what to not eat and do. I eat what I want. Wait, I didn't know we were supposed to taste.
I didn't even taste, but okay.
Butterscotch?
Vanilla. Is it vanilla?
It's the apple.
Seriously?
It's just vanillas. I wonder what this one is.
Oh yeah, it does. What was that? So yeah.
I will be.
Yeah, I think this one is the apple one. So that's for today's video. Please subscribe. Comment down below. Comment down below which one.
What's your favorite chocolate?
Yeah, what's your favorite kind of chocolate? And please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.
I just put my face in my face.